the new featherweight world champ, Cris Cyborg. Congratulations, an incredible performance. You are the first fighter ever to win a world title in 4 major promotions. I know we talked about it before, but it's here, the belt is there. What does that mean to you?
It means a lot of work, means a lot of people around me support me. God bless me the whole time, the whole way, and always glory to him, and I'm happy back to the form. Fight again, you got my belt back.
Let's talk about that, because you talked about the forum. You said it was a little bittersweet because you had that loss here. So what does it mean to be out here with that crowd, in your Lakers gear, colors, just having everybody behind you, and now having the belt?
Means God take care of you, you know. I feel like that day I lost here as a God plan, because if it never happened, I was now here, Bellator champion. And I'm really happy, this new era for me.
Well said, a new era it is. Let's talk about Julia Budd. She hadn't lost in over 8 years. She hung in there with you. We talked about her physicality, but did that surprise you? I mean, she was standing in there taking the punches from you, which not many women can do.
You know, I always train really hard, I always fight. I knew she's 8 years undefeated, and I know it's gonna be a tough fight. She's champion on time. I always respect all my opponents because I work really hard all the time. And she did amazing. I knew she's strong. You know, I just work harder, forgot the belt.
You did a great job. Fantastic performance. Can I ask, you got everybody out here ready to go celebrate. What's in the plans tonight?
I don't know. I had a surprise.
I love it. All right. Congrats, champ. Great job out there.
All right, well, Cyborg makes her debut here for Bellator, and she does what she's used to doing, and that's winning world titles. What makes her so much more dominant than everybody else in the sport?
On the surface, you think it's the physicality. You see she's big and strong and fast. She hits really hard. She harvests energy from the ground out through the knuckles of her fist. But really, it's now her seasoning. The amount of high-level fights that she's fought. When she gets into the nitty-gritty, those really difficult situations, now she knows what to do. She can swim her way through the fight and find the way to win.
Sometimes when you get knocked out, people have a hard time coming back from that. She didn't. She learned from it. She walked right back in there. No problem. She is that kind of gangster.
Hey, listen, you're right. You wake up and the ref says to you, do you know what time it is? And you're like, Las Vegas. Like you don't know what's going on. Then you have to reset. Hey, I never thought I was going to get knocked out. I never thought I was going to lose ever again. The best deal with it, they get better, they actualize themselves to their potential, and they move on.